Today I'm fixing overstretched neckline on my t-shirt. It's super annoying. It keeps her falling off my shoulders. Therefore, I'm going to take in the excess fabric to make this wide neckline smaller. I will be using strong sewing thread or an embroidery floss in matching color, sewing needle, scissors, measuring tape, iron, and fabric marking pen. Cut a length of embroidery floss about 2 times the circumference of the neckline area and thread the needle and knot the end securely. I will be starting sewing at one shoulder seam and finishing it on the other shoulder seam. First step is to mark a line in the middle of the neckband. This line is an outline for the sewing to make sure the finishing effect is nice and even, and to make this neckline smaller and looking better. I cut a long piece of embroidery floss about 2 times the length of the neckline in matching color. I'm starting the stitching from the inside out, so I'm poking my needle from the wrong side of the fabric to the right side of the fabric. And I'm doing it right at the edge of the neckband. Once I have that, I'm gonna poke the needle back inside, right on the red line. And now I'm going to pull that needle, like go round the neckband and poke it in, like to the left side, and right away poke it out to the right side. Pull the needle in a thread gently and repeat that process. So I'm stitching in and out around the neckline about 1/4 inch from the edge as you saw me. Gently I pull the floss as I go to gather the fabric until the neckline is the desired size, and later on I will distribute the gathers evenly. Use this stitch all the way around the neckband or in the section you want to gather the excess fabric. Once I have a small section of the stitch done around the neckband, I gently pull onto the floss to create that nice design, and then I will continue stitching and gathering the excess fabric to make sure this will be a nice looking top again. This sewing method works amazing when you don't have sewing machine yet you need to adjust the oversized or stretched really wide neckline on your t-shirt. It works also on dresses, tops. It's really good sewing method to know. Okay, that looks great. Now when you're done stitching, make sure to spread evenly the gathers so they're gonna look nice and quite even, or as even as you can make them. And once you're done that, try on the shirt to check the fit and adjust the gathers so they are evenly distributed if there is a need to do so. And once you're satisfied, tie off the thread securely at the shoulder point. You can double knot it for extra security. Weave in any loose thread ends on the inside of the shirt and press the neckline gently with an iron for a neat finish. as I am pressing the neckline with an iron, the red line that I drew with the red fabric pen, it disappears because it's heat activated. So that's it, it's finished. I think it looks great, my new neckline. It looks awesome. I really like it, and if you like it, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and come back for more content. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.